Here some question are given. Question is that 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b is equal to 1 divided by 13. What is the value of a plus b? Here condition is that a, b belong to natural number. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Let's start solution. First of all, see here according to question 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b is equal to 1 divided by 13. After next step, see here both side multiply by ab, both side multiply by ab. See here next step, ab into bracket open 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b bracket close is equal to 1 divided by 13 into ab. After next step, see here separate it, ab into 1 divided by a plus ab into 1 divided by b is equal to 1 divided by 13 into ab. After next step, see here a cancel, b cancel, left it b plus a is equal to ab divided by 13. After next step, see here both side multiply by 13, both side multiply by 13. See here next step 13 into bracket open b plus a bracket close is equal to ab divided by 13 into 13. Here 13 cancel, left it 13b plus 13a is equal to ab. After next step, see here 13a come this side, 13b also come this side, left it. See here ab minus 13b minus 13a is equal to 0. After next step, see here ab minus 13b minus 13a plus 169 minus 169 is equal to 0. See here plus minus means plus minus 169 added, 169 subtract means both are minus plus, left it 0. So after next step, see here take common. See here left it a bracket open, here only take common b take common, left it a minus 13 bracket close minus here 13 take common 13 bracket open a minus 13 bracket close, here left it minus 169 is equal to 0. After next step, see here left it that a minus 13 into b minus 13 bracket close is equal to this come this side positive 169. After next step, see here bracket open a minus 13 into b minus 13 bracket close is equal to, see here 169 how much factor, first factor see here 1 into 169 case number 1, case 1. Second 169 into 1, this is case number 2. After next step, see here 13 into 13, this is case number 3, total case 3. See here first case number 1, case number 1 telling that bracket open a minus 13 into b minus 13 is equal to 1 into 169. After next step, see here, a minus 13 is equal to 1. Here b minus 13 is equal to 169. After next step, see here, this 13 come this side, a is equal to 1 plus 13. Therefore a is equal to 14. This a value, here a value how much find? 14. Here b value is that this 13 come this side, b is equal to 169 plus 13. Therefore b is equal to how much? 182. After next step, see here, so the case is that a plus b is equal to a value how much? 14, b value how much? 182. Therefore a plus b is equal to how much? 196. Here case 1 value find here. Second case, case number 2. See here, case number 2 telling that bracket open, a minus 13 into b minus 13 is equal to 169 into 1. After next step, see here, a minus 13 is equal to 169, b minus 13 is equal to 1. Therefore here a is equal to how much? This 13 come this side, 169 plus 13. Therefore a is equal to how much? 182. Here b is equal to how much? This 13 come this side, 1 plus 13. Therefore b is equal to 14. Therefore so a plus b is equal to how much? A value how much? 182 plus b value 14. Therefore a plus b is equal to 196. This is case number second. After case number 3, see here, case number 3 telling that bracket open, a minus 13 into b minus 13 is equal to 13 into 13. Therefore a minus 13 is equal to 13, b minus 13 is equal to 13. Therefore a is equal to how much? 13. This come this side plus 13. Therefore a is equal to how much? 26. Here b is equal to how much? 13 plus 13. Therefore b is equal to 26. I want to find the value of a plus b is equal to a value 26 plus b value 26. Therefore a plus b is equal to how much? 52. This is the third value of case number. Total, see here, total value of case 1. Case 1 value is that a plus b is equal to how much? 196. Case number 2 value is that a plus b is equal to 196. Case number 3 is equal to that a plus b is equal to 52. This is the final value of a plus b value. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.